Alright, just when it couldn't get any harder. I knew the pieces were warped. I just didn't know they were warped this bad. So look at this here. I'll do this one. Here's the bottom. See that? Now in the instructions says when you do this part, line it up on a piece of glass because you need a super level surface. So what we are doing, I used to have those pieces of window pane replacement glass with rubber feet on them, but they kept breaking. So I got a mirror and I put on the back of it toolbox liner. That's our super level surface. Here's what we have to do. We have to bond the basically the car body all together, and then we've got to then sand to fit this guy, and then we got to use some putty or stuff, probably some liquid green stuff to cover up any imperfections in how this thing goes together. But the problem is, I'm going to show you now. Take a look at this corner right here. Let's go over here and look at that corner. Okay, here's a corner. Now you're looking in the mirror. So let's go ahead and put this guy on. Let's just line him up a little bit. And now you can see. Yeah, it looks like there's two of them. That's pretty cool. But what's not cool is that it's warped. And not a little bit. If you can look over here, from the top down, it's pretty warped. Because here we've got the end, and the end needs to go right inside of this part, like that, and it is really warped. So if I stretch this out here, and I can yeah, there should be a little tiny drop right here, because you have to do them so that the top is all level, and then the bottom will fit in here. So it's got to go like that, and what you can't see is how much see how I'm bending it backwards to get it to be straight like that. Now, if this is the same kind of resin that we've used before when we made stuff. I've sanded everything. It should be a really, really hard bond almost instantly. And resin like super glue. We can't use the baking soda trick here because that makes a different resin. That doesn't match up with this resin. So we're going to do straight up super glue. And we're going to hope that we've sanded enough and got it tight enough to join. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go through this process and see what we get. And hopefully it's not a total failure. And we can proceed. If we can get the rectangle frame of this gondola, I think we can get the bottom, and then the bottom will add strength, and then we'll think about adding other strength after that.